Hello, but it's about Destiny here with another video, and in this video basically I'll be showing you on how to create your own almighty and majestic bootable USB media drive. And yeah, basically before we start off with this tutorial, basically I'll be showing you a list of the necessary items which you'll need for the source installation or the source tutorial purposes. And basically the things that you'll need for this tutorial will be your demanded or your desired ISO file of your certainly wanted or desired operating system. And basically the second thing that you'll need is the almighty magical rufus. So basically, to give you a quick recap on what rufus is, and hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. Sorry if I basically otherwise sorry if I'm not really pronouncing it right, although hopefully I am, but big rip. And basically rufus is a program that basically converts your ISO file, and it basically converts it into like a bootable system or method. So basically let's start off with this tutorial, PEACEE. And basically first thing that you want to go is go to start, and okay, rip, I can't fucking type anymore. And basically the first thing that you want to do is basically go to start and type rufus, bam. And basically I'll be providing you with the necessary download links into the description, so basically you don't need to worry about those. And basically after you're in the rufus itself, basically you want to plug in your USB, or maybe if you're using a CD drive, and then basically here it will show your present USB drive that you recently plugged in. It should pop here. And then basically now you want to select the disk or ISO image, and then you want to go here and take select, and now you want to go to the download place in which you put the sourcely stated ISO file. And in our case we'll go and install Ubuntu. So basically you want to go bam, select Ubuntu, and now okay, now you want to focus on these settings right here. So basically volume label is, I suppose, some kind of a name that allocates to your drive. Then we've got this. Okay, wait, I actually forgot one important thing. So basically, hello, but it's about Destiny here, and as you can see, a Destiny from the future here. So basically as I was basically revising the footage and looking back at the source content, it seems like that I've put a setting that isn't really quite valid, or that shouldn't be put that way. And basically if you want to know on whether your hard drive or a SSD uses either the GPT or MBR system partition scheme, basically want to go to start, type disk, click on create and format hard disk partitions, and then basically after you're here, go to your primary disk which you usually use, and then go to properties, volumes, and then here it should say whether it supports or it's mainly based on the GPT or MBR systems. And as you can see, if we go this method can basically this method will work for any of your storage media devices. Have a nice one. And now we're gonna return to the present. The magic, I'm the time traveler, yes, the magician. Peace. After that you want to leave these settings as they are and select FAT32, although I think you can go with it as well, it should work just fine. And then click on start, bam, click OK, click OK. Okay, so basically an important note, if you're installing like a certain ISO file, or if you're creating a bootable drive, you won't be able to use any other folders on it, meaning you'll need to delete all of your data on that USB. So I recommend, before you do this step, transfer all of your important or demanded data onto another USB or somewhere else, just so it doesn't get lost. Click on OK, and now I'll see you when this loads. A peace. And para-pa-pa, just like down. And yeah, boys and girls, finally we are done with it. And I can close out of this. Okay, now we will go into the BIOS and we will apply / we will boot into our desired operating system, just so you can see that this works and that this will work like a charm without any significant problems whatsoever, without any hacking or any explosive present elements. So yeah, and basically guys, just a quick tip for you: if you want to go directly to your BIOS, basically without having to basically constantly fucking obliterate and fucking smack or spam the delete or F2 button, depending on how your manufacturer, your motherboard manufacturer set it to be as. And yeah, basically what you want to do is basically go to your start, go to restart, and basically what you want to do is basically hold shift and then click on restart, and then a certain menu should pop up, and then you need to go to advanced options, I think troubleshoot, and then you should now navigate to a section which basically says a something along the lines of UEFI BIOS, I think, and basically go there and then basically click on restart there once again, and then you'll be directly redirected to the BIOS, and basically see you in BIOS A. And papa, hello buddy, it's your boy Destiny here, and now as you can see we are into the BIOS, and yeah, and as you can see it looks very nice. Yes, very nice, very animated, very clean, and very tasty. Yes, look at this, the animated trails of data. And basically your BIOS might not look like this, depends on your motherboard manufacturer, but yeah, I mean you should all get something that looks along the lines of this, or something that's similar to this. And basically, as you can see, we are in real life. Oh yes. So now what you want to do is basically go here where it says boot priority, meaning basically now we will select a drive from which will boot a. So you want to select your USB drive, or in our case it's marked as the UEFI general U disk. So basically drag this to the top here and basically go save and exit, and that's it. Click on OK, just unlock down, and now basically we should go, we should boot our USB, and now we should be able to see like a menu in which we'll be able to select the certain options about the Ubuntu preset, which we and that's it. As you can see, now we can it automatically went into it, and basically it should either automatically boot into the OS, or you need to click enter. And yeah, basically now as you can see, why it's so blurry, I mean fucking vlogging and a half, the magician, and bam, focus now. And now as you can see we are loading into Ubuntu, which is a very nice thing, and yeah, it's a very expected and a very nice thing to be in. And yeah, basically now see you when this loads. And we are back at it once again, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, now we have successfully booted inside Ubuntu. And as you can see, so yeah, basically for our purposes, which are basically based on just testing the OS itself without any like permanent use, yeah, basically we'll go with this. So basically if you're installing your operating system, for in this case if you're installing any distro of Ubuntu, the setup should be the same for, I suppose, every distro that there exists, or that there is. And basically in our case we'll go with the try Ubuntu, and then it should basically boot us into our default, or our just like or essential interface UI. And yeah, basically we are here. As you can see, it all works. Yes, it's all working fine without any problems. And yeah, as you can see, now we can go to Firefox, which is like the primary browser that Linux uses. And as you can see, wait, okay, first of all, I mean, of course, the first thing that you want to do is basically go to preferences, go to search, and yeah, basically select DuckDuckGo, and now let's go to YouTube. I'm typing in one hint, so sorry if I'm not typing as well as I usually do or as well as I should. So yeah, okay, now, and of course one thing after that, basically let's switch this up to the dark mode, the almighty hello darkness, my old friend. I mean, yeah, JK, but I mean, kind of relatable, isn't it? Big rip. And yeah, basically now, yeah, basically let's start this off with the almighty, and let's test this distro with the KSI Red Alert. Yeah, basically I don't know why, yeah, basically this is my go-to 4K video testing selection. I don't know, you know what, fuck it, let's go 5K. Remember, let's maximize this. And now, okay, as you can see, it fucking switched up to 5K without any problems whatsoever. And if we want to basically travel throughout this video, or if we want basically, what's the word, mate? I'm so dumb. Like, wait, what's the word? If you want basically okay, yeah, what's the word? If you want basically go here, or if you want to transfer, as you can see, the overall smoothness of the playback is fucking awesome. It's very smooth, although yeah, as you can see, our internet is kind of limiting us in many ways. So yeah, the shit internet, as always. The fucking shit, it's a real stinker. And basically this was it from this video, boys and girls. Hopefully this helped you. And yeah, if you've got any additional questions or suggestions, or any tips, or any like suspicions about this video itself, basically you can ask them into the comments, and I'll be replying to you of each and every of you. So yeah, basically hopefully enjoy it, have a nice one, stay awesome as you already are, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. The lion, yes, I'm a kid. I'm Batman, the magic. I'm the cat, I'm the flying cat. They call me the magician. I'm gonna kill you.